Go. Hello, my name is Ismail. I'll be teaching you guys how to make a bird trap today. First of all, you'll be needing a box or a crate. Second of all, you'll be needing scissors or a knife. Please be careful with your fingers and have your parents' permission before you do this. Second of all, you'll be needing fishing line. Yeah, fishing line's better than string because some birds it's fine and some birds can't see it, so it's better. Get a brownie color or dark colors. Don't get light colors like red and orange or yellow because the birds could see it and they think it's a trap. Some birds are very smart. Then you'll need a stick. You'll need a stick about halfway or 3/4 of the way of the box or crate. Alright, first of all, before you do this, first of all, you will be tying your fishing line to your stick. The best way to tie this is doing a half blood knot. It's a nice knot that I use in fishing. You get the thing, you go around it, and you twist the main line like this. Right, it's a bit fiddly. Keep on twisting. That's alright. Like leave a few, like 1 inch or a few centimeters. Then put the thing that's placed in the middle. Then go through the back. Put the string through there, through that hole, and then pull. There, you have a nice secured knot that cannot be moved. Just pull one pull. It's alright, look. You can see the knot there. It's very secure. Then you'll be needing your scissors. Or your knife. But cut that piece of string off. Not that much, just a little bit. A little bit like that. Damn scissors. Alright, there, that's enough. You can see that's pretty tight. There you can see the knot, it's a nice knot. Alright, then you cut about a few meters of line. Like 3 or 4 meters of line is alright. Yeah, from there, this much line is enough. Around the meter or two, about 2 to 3 meters.
Like 2 meters?
Alright, so that's alright.
That's alright?
Like pretty long. I'll tell my sisters to hold it out. John will come, hold this. Hold this there. I'll pull that across. It's pretty long. Look at it. Look, it's pretty long. It goes like that. That's alright. It's a good size. If you want to make it longer, you can. Alright, now you just get this and then put it under. Put it under like that. Try and make the stick stand. John, move out of the way. Move out of the way. Ouch. Trying to make the stick stand. Right there. The second part of this. It's like that, the second part. If you want to add an extra, you make this knot and you get another piece of string. Or fishing line recommended. You make the loop. You make this nice loop. It goes the loop. I'll show you how to make the loop first. You get string. You get like double strings like that. Yeah. Then you make a loop like this. Then at the edge you go like this. You go like that. You make a knot like that, and you go to this goes. String goes through there. Then you go like that. and you can turn it there, and then it's like, and then you can just pull. If the bird pulls, it's pretty tight. You can see, if it pulls, you see, it's tight, pretty tight. You can put that in the middle. Put that in the middle. If that falls and that you don't catch, you put it in the middle of that, and this goes on top like this, like that. Just get it. And then this goes under it like this, and if you think that the bird's gonna escape, you can slowly pull this like there. So my fingers are the bird. Of me. You could do both. So I'm bird. I'm pulling onto a string. If they're kicks, I'm pulling. They're gotty. And then if they're like noisy big bird, you can just go under it. And then someone pulls it, but like that, and it's like that trap. That's the way to make a bird trap. Part 2 will be available in 3 weeks. Thank you.